Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're well and hope you're having a great day. I hope the lockdown is going really good for you guys. So today I've decided to make homemade desi ghee. The reason being is there's been so many requests for this recipe, so I thought I really need to give this a go. In front of me I've got Kerrygold butter, the salted one, but you can use the unsalted butter and any brand. There are different procedures to the salted one, so let's get on with it. So if you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, you'll know that on my side, like a shadow, is my husband these days. So Alhamdulillah, he's going to be helping out. I'm not complaining. So anyhow. So he's just adding the butter into the pan and then we are going to let it melt. So like I mentioned earlier, because I'm using salted butter, I'm going to be adding semolina or chapati flour purely because it helps to absorb the salt that's in the butter. So today I've decided to use semolina, 2 tablespoons, and if you're using chapati flour, again it's 2 tablespoons. If you're using unsalted butter and you do this stage, it's fine, nothing will change. But if you don't want to do this stage, then that's absolutely fine as well. So my husband is just going to add the semolina in. Please make sure as well that you do not stir like a spoon, just let it be. And the main thing about this ghee is do not add any spoons or don't keep stirring it. So leave the heat on low to medium heat throughout. The foam will start to reduce and you'll start seeing clear liquid to the ghee.
So as you have seen, the foam has started reducing now, and you can see the yellow liquid form of butter. That is actually ghee now. We will give it another 3 to 4 minutes once the foam has completely gone.
It's looking so amazing. Just a few more minutes now. So overall it took about 40 minutes to make and now it's completely done. This is what it should look like. So as you can see, it is a liquid form now and this is a colour that you should look out for. Also it smells insane, like literally it smells like toffee, kind of nutty smell. It's incredible. So another indication of when the ghee is done, if you with a spoon slightly just move the milk solids, underneath you'll see brown bits and that shows it is now done as well. So we tried to use a sieve and do it this way, but because of my pan being a bit weird, it didn't go quite well and I could see a bit of milk solid underneath, so we tried another way instead. So it's a good job I had a muslin cloth, but if you've got cheesecloth or muslin cloth, it should be fine as well. This way I found a lot easier basically. So we're just trying to separate any milk solids that are left and anything in little bits that we don't want to be inside the ghee. Now I'm adding the ghee to a jar. You can add it into an airtight container as well. So let it cool down, and whilst it cools down it will lighten in colour. Then you can enjoy it with your curries, your bread or whatever you like. Remember the little incident that we had with the ghee in the pan? So that I'm going to use it now. So you must have guessed it right. I'm making halwa with the ghee that was spilt a little in the pan. And the recipe for this will be in the description below.